Hi everyone, my name is Rishad. Today is the 3rd of March 2024 and I'm going to be going over the next week's review of SPX predictions based on option chain analysis. If you're wondering where these predictions are coming from, please go view my channel since there are respective videos timestamped and date marked which actually go over the analysis behind these up and down predictions. So if you are curious, please go view my channel. But without further ado, we can see that the last prediction was made on the 25th of February for the week ending the 1st of March. The open was 5,093.00. Prediction was that SPX goes up, which is obviously true since it closed at 5,137.07. Our weekly P&L was 44.07, which is a 0.87% return, bringing our cumulative P&L up to 3.34%. SPX's weekly change, on the other hand, was 0.95%, bringing SPX's cumulative return to 7.81 and bringing our alpha down actually to 4.47%. So this is just a short video going over the performance this week. As you can see, we did make a profit, almost a 1% profit this week, pretty solid. But that's all for now. Thank you for watching, enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.